Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Headspace and you will click. Then you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on Clear Cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Headspace. If you find updates, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.